Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup raft. We will begin by selecting the freshest, most vibrant vegetables available, ensuring a delicious foundation for our soup. Next, choose a wide, heavy-bottomed pot to allow for even cooking and easy layering. Finally, finely chop your aromatic trio: 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, setting the stage for rich flavor. Now, let's build our flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat, then add the chopped aromatics. Sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are wonderfully softened and fragrant. Stir in 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, letting their aromas bloom. Deglaze the pot with about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth or dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. This is where the raft technique comes in. First, place your firmer vegetables, like potatoes and sweet potatoes, at the bottom of the pot. Next, layer your softer vegetables, such as zucchini, bell peppers, and green beans, on top, creating a distinct raft. Pour in 6 to 8 cups of high-quality vegetable broth, ensuring it just covers the vegetables. This layering helps each vegetable cook perfectly. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering the pot. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are fork tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into bowls, and for a final flourish, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or dill. Enjoy your homemade vegetable soup raft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.